WANROOETECH communicated with Vietnamese partner Polymer Vietnam. The client ordered a full plastic pulverizer line with 500 to 1,000 kilograms per hour output to process LLDPE, PP and HDPE for internal use and toll powder processing. Its subsidiary Polymer Asia produces premium color masterbatches and required the equipment to be manufactured to top European standards, delivering 40 to 50 mesh powder with nearly spherical particles and excellent flowability. After 6 months of technical communication and trials, we reached a cooperation agreement. Customized solution for strict production requirements. QTH high-capacity vacuum feeder for feeding. Water-cooled liners installed on discharge pipes and cyclone bins. Anti-static prevents powder agglomeration. The sieving efficiency of rotary vibrating screen rises by 20%, and finish power temperature drops by 30 degrees Celsius. Energy-saving design. Diaphragm coupling connects spindle and water-cooled servo motor to directly drive the grinding disc, cutting overall power consumption by 30%. Compared with traditional air-cooled motors, it greatly reduces workshop dust pollution. A 10 HP air cooler blows cold air into the feed inlet for auxiliary cooling. Optimize grinding disc teeth, shorten material travel path by 50% to reduce excessive shearing and friction. The pulverizing temperature of PP decreases by 46% versus LLDPE, enabling stable PP powder production. A 5 cubic meter storage bin with vacuum powder conveyor stores finished powder temporarily to cut labor intensity, followed by weighing and jumbo bag packaging.